If you want to open files as layers in Photoshop, especially for photo stacks, composites, mockups, or any project where you need multiple images in one document, this is the fastest way to do it. Instead of opening each file one by one and manually dragging them into place, Photoshop has a built-in command that loads everything into a single layer document for you automatically. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step, and I'll also cover the optional settings that can save you a lot of time depending on the type of files you're working with. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Photoshop tips and easy workflow tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Photoshop. You can start from a completely blank workspace and you do not need to open a document first. That's one of the reasons this method is so convenient. Once Photoshop is open, go up to the top menu bar, click File, then go down to Scripts and choose Load Files into Stack. This is the command that tells Photoshop to bring multiple files into one document as separate layers. When you click it, a dialog box will appear on your screen. This is the main setup window where you choose which files you want to import. At the top, look for the Use drop-down menu. Make sure it is set to files if you want to select individual images manually. If you want to import everything from one folder at once, you can choose folder instead. For this example, I'm using files so I can pick specific images. Next, click the Browse button on the right side. A file browser window will open, and this is where you select your assets. Hold down the Ctrl key on Windows or Command on Mac and click each image file you want to include. This is useful when you want to load several related images at the same time, like product shots, design assets, or bracketed photos. Once you've selected everything you need, click Open. Now you'll see all your chosen files listed in the center of the dialog box, which confirms that Photoshop has queued them up correctly. Before you run the process, take a moment to look at the optional settings at the bottom. The first checkbox is Attempt to automatically align source images. If you're working with handheld photos, or if your images were taken as a set, and you want Photoshop to line them up more precisely, this option can help a lot. It's especially useful for exposure stacking, panorama work, or focus stacking, because Photoshop will try to match the images based on their content and position. The second checkbox is Create Smart Object after loading layers. If you turn this on, Photoshop will place the imported files into a smart object container after loading them. That can be a smart choice if you want to keep your workflow non-destructive and you may want to edit or transform the stack later without permanently damaging the original layers. If you do not need that, you can leave it unchecked. Once your settings are ready, click OK in the top right corner of the dialog box. Now just let Photoshop do the work. Don't click around or interrupt the process. Photoshop will automatically create a new document, read your selected files, and load each one into its own layer inside the Layers panel. Depending on how many files you selected and how large they are, this may take a few moments. When it's finished, you'll have a single Photoshop document with all of your files stacked as separate layers, ready for masking, blending, alignment, compositing, or any other editing you want to do next. And that is how you open files as layers in Photoshop the fast and proper way. It's a simple workflow, but once you know it, it can save you tons of time on every project. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the rest of the Photoshop tutorials on the channel for more easy editing tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.